Hi guys, we're the Wolfmans and we are building our second dream home right across the street from our first custom home build. We are officially in the sexier part of the build, which is the finishes stage. And previously we've completed our flooring installation with tile and hardwood throughout, the trim installation with baseboards, window and door casing, and some beautiful accent paneled walls. And we also completed the cabinetry installation of our custom designed black and white contemporary kitchen, which is coming together beautifully so far. We are now continuing with the completion of our kitchen as we select and install our countertops, backsplash, appliances, and some other beautiful details. For our countertops, there are several products we could have gone with. We love the look of marble slabs, but we're also realistic enough to know that we can't maintain a real marble which stains and etches very easily. It's just not functional for our messy day-to-day family life. So welcome porcelain slabs. They're made to look like marble, but have zero maintenance. They don't stain, and you can put hot dishes straight out of the oven or even cut food directly on them with no damage to the material. Now we just have to pick the right one. So let's see how it comes together. So we're looking at some options for our countertops. Super fun. Option A, okay, this kind of veining. It's a satin finish. You can't really feel it, which is too bad, but it's super smooth.
Okay, so Anna showed you option 1 over here. So now this is option 2. This is a different sample. So this is also porcelain, but this one's a polished finish. So this one has much thicker veining, which we like in certain sections. But one of the things we talked about is that certain sections are going to be a little bit more white, whereas the option A that Anna showed you has almost veining throughout the whole product. So it's not that one is better than the other, it's just we have to kind of decide what we like better.
The really cool thing about this slab too is you really can't see the pixelation and the porcelain, so it's really good quality. The print looks really nice, so once it's installed you really can't see like the fine sort of pixelation of the print. This one is still really good, but shows a little bit more of that pixelation. Like you can see some of the little dots. So if you really look closely, it kind of gives it away that it's a porcelain, which is still fine, but just something to keep in mind. The other thing too is the coloring. This is a little bit warmer. You could see a little bit more of the browns and some of like the gold hues come out a little bit, versus this one's a little bit of a colder tone. Just because there's more, it's really just white and gray. There isn't that much of the warmer tones in there that pop out. So something to keep in mind as you kind of put your kitchen together.
All right, guys, so we are in front of the house. We had our countertops delivered today. So we are so excited to finally see. We deliberated over these for a long time. So we're so excited to finally see. So come on, let's go and check it out. All right, so we're coming to check the countertop install. So we just got a small one that was done over here, and these are our faucets up here that they're going to drill the holes for. And then this right here is our island. Really excited about it. So we did a waterfall on the sides here, so that's what this is going to be. I think it's looking pretty amazing. We got 4 inches thick over here at the front, and then it's actually going to be only 2 inches on the other side, so I think it's really sleek. Good job, guys. Thank you for everything. And here it is. Really happy about it. Loving it.
So as you can see, we went with a more contemporary looking slab that has dramatic, edgy, gray veining to achieve a bold look with our black and white cabinetry. The slab continues beautifully down the waterfall island, and we love these slabs so much that we decided to also continue this design across our backsplash by applying the same gorgeous solid slabs vertically all the way to the ceiling, and we just love how the final look came together.
Okay, so we got appliance install happening right now. The appliance guy's just working through everything. As you can see, we took the front face off of the hood, which is just sitting over here right now. And within a few hours, we should have all our appliances installed. Fridge is in, we just need to put the panels on. But we're moving along. Nice productive day today.
now installed and it looks amazing. It's so nice and bright in here. So we have the pot lights in the ceiling. We're still gonna have 2 pendants going above the island. And then we have all the pot lights inside the cabinetry on the uppers. And we have to reinstall the glass doors. So it looks amazing. It's so nice and bright, especially today. You really notice it because it's a gloomy, rainy day out there, and this kitchen is just so nice and bright. Our electricians were originally worried that this might look like a bit of an interrogation room in here and that we really overdid it with the pot lights. So just to be on the safe side, we put them on a dimmer so we could always dim it down. But honestly, we couldn't be happier with our decision because it's just so nice and bright, and I love working in a well-lit kitchen. So happy with how this is coming together, and yeah, excited to have some light in here. And we are finishing up our kitchen with the installation of the plumbing fixtures. We went with the same faucet and Luxe Gold finish for both our island sink and main sink, where we also added a matching soap dispenser and Instant Hot. We also selected the matching pot filler above the stovetop to make it really convenient when cooking. For our little coffee bar area, we added a mirror as a backsplash to give the space more depth while reflecting the natural light from the glass doors across that go out to the backyard. One other area that got a beautiful slab is our living room fireplace. We chose to clad the entire surround with this gorgeous dramatic tile. It has distinctive blue, gray, and copper veining that will go beautifully with our honey blonde oak floors and paneled walls, which we plan to paint in a dark navy gray color. And finally, to complete our countertop installation, we also installed a gray countertop in our upstairs laundry room. So thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video as we pretty much completed our dream kitchen. Please leave us a comment or a like to let us know your thoughts, and be sure to subscribe to follow along our home building journey. In the next episode, we'll take you back outside as we continue with our exterior home finishes, so make sure to join us next time.